Christopher and Andrew, two brothers with hair the color of warm honey and eyes that sparkled with boundless energy, lived in a house that always hummed with their laughter and playful shouts. Their backyard was their kingdom, a wild tangle of towering oak trees, whispering bushes, and a secret patch of sunflowers that stretched towards the sky. They loved nothing more than transforming this kingdom into fantastical realms, a pirate ship one day, a hidden dragon's lair the next. But lately, a shadow had crept into their games, competition. "My turn on the swing. You had it longer," Christopher would declare, arms crossed. "Did not. You always count faster," Andrew would retort, a pout on his lips. Even their most beloved activity, building epic blanket forts, had become a silent war of who could claim the most plush cushions or drape the biggest, most majestic blanket. One brilliant Saturday morning, as sunlight streamed through the kitchen window, their mum announced, "Boys, guess what? Our neighborhood is hosting the Great Backyard Adventure Challenge next month. And the grand prize is a brand new, gleaming, super-duper, remote-control drone." Christopher and Andrew's eyes practically popped out of their heads. A drone! The thought of sending a flying marvel soaring above their own backyard was almost too exciting to bear. But then, the competitive spark ignited. "I'm definitely going to win," Christopher declared, already imagining the drone in his hands. "No way, I'm way better at challenges," Andrew shot back, puffing out his chest. The next few weeks became a flurry of secret training sessions. Christopher would sneak out at dawn to practice his zigzagging sprint through the sprinkler course, meticulously timing himself with his dad's stopwatch. Andrew, meanwhile, spent hours perfecting his climb over the old picnic table, devising intricate handholds and footholds, convinced he'd be the fastest. Finally, the day of the challenge dawned, bright and buzzing with excitement. Kids from all over the neighborhood gathered in Mr. Henderson's sprawling field, their parents lining the makeshift course, armed with cameras and cheers. Christopher, with his long legs and boundless energy, was up first. He dove into the tire tunnel, wriggling like a snake. He navigated the balance beam with surprising grace, a flicker of confidence in his eyes. But as he reached the rope climb, something unexpected happened. The rope, slick with morning dew, slipped in his grasp. He tried again, his muscles straining, but he couldn't get a good grip. Andrew, watching from the starting line, felt a lot of mixed emotions in his stomach. Part of him wanted to cheer at Christopher's struggle, a selfish part that whispered, "Now I have a better chance." But another part, a smaller, quieter voice, felt a pang of sympathy. Just as Andrew was about to give up, a voice boomed from the sidelines, "Andrew, look up." He squinted. It was Christopher, who had sprinted back after finishing his turn, his earlier frustration replaced by a determined glint in his eye. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.